we're gonna have Avenger toys. And this is my brother Lainey. And this is Hope. This is mine. Iron Man. And these are the others ni Bukolek. Captain America, Thor, Hook and Hook Buster. Let's open up Iron Man first. Here it is. Moves his arms, legs, head, and the cannon.
It moves like
Right there. Now let's open Hook. Look at this. It's so huge. It's so big. Moves his arms, head, and the legs.
twist it. I hate them.
Have a light too. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe. Bye bye.